Welcome to your 7-day trial of Parasoft Selenic, your Selenium bot that works while you sleep. We're getting things ready for you in the background, so let's take a second and learn how to use this demo environment. In this demo environment, we have provided you with the Eclipse IDE plugin and a demo application that you can use to generate recommendations and perform self-healing. When you first enter into the demo environment, you're going to see Eclipse. First things first, you got to get the latest tests. So go ahead and perform a refresh on your project by right-clicking and pressing refresh. Once that's done, feel free to navigate the project structure so you can see the test case. This particular one is using the Page Object Model. You can run the Selenium test by clicking on the Selenic configuration and choosing one of the favorited configurations. This first configuration will run the test as is and pass. You can then run the test against a different endpoint. You'll notice in the Arguments tab, there's a setting for the second version of the application. In this second version of the application, there's a change that breaks the Selenium test. Once you've run that, you'll see Selenic will provide recommendations for you, and you can learn all about those in the tutorials. If you want to see the self-healing in action, go ahead and run the third configuration, which will automatically self-heal the Selenium test at runtime. There's much more you can do with Parasoft Selenic, so feel free at any time to click on Parasoft and check out the docs. And if you like what you see, give us some feedback. Maybe tell us about the next great thing you'd like to see in Parasoft Selenic. Well, things should be ready to go now, so go ahead and close this window and get started. Happy testing!